Hello guys, once again I'm Kamayo. Now our topic is about worksheets structure. I will show you how to insert columns and rows. First, I need to fix these tables to make it more good looking. So I need to merge this one and center here also. I will merge, and this one I will merge. So I can change the size, and I can change also the color, which prefer for me. I can also reduce the size. This one. Okay. See. Here. So. This is how to color our font. So this is our worksheet structure. Sometimes you need to insert some data, like here June. Now you need to insert July. So what will we do? Just highlight this one, this each column, then hold our right mouse button, right mouse click, then select insert to insert the column. So now we have our new column that we can add our next month from June to July. So I will delete, and we have also shortcut K, just using our keyboard shortcut. Just select this one and hold our control and hit our plus in our numeric keypad. Just hold your control and hit our plus key, plus. So now automatically it will insert our columns. So I will make it undo. This one is undo, this one. For, as you can see here, we have shortcut Control Z. Control Z. Example, you will insert 2 months, month of July and August. So since we will insert 2 columns, we need also select 2 columns. If you need another 3 months, you can select also 3 columns. You can select also here 1, 2, including outside, then insert this one. Now we can put our July and August. So again, we'll undo this one. So we can also insert row. For the same process, just select one if you will insert only one, or if you need also 2, you can select 2, then right click mouse button, then insert, undo. We can also insert 1 row, right click mouse button and insert, Control Z again or undo. You can select all, then insert, Control Z. So we have also, as you can see, if we will select all, whatever we will insert, all of these row will insert into entire columns. So example, we need to insert only on this column without affecting from other columns. So just select this one and right mouse click, then select insert. So now we have 4 options. So if we will select this shift cells right, meaning this the one we selected, we just only shift to the right or move to the right. So this one will be blank. So we'll try. Look. So now this one automatically move to the right and this one is remain. So meaning, but if you can see here, not included in this total. Again, we'll make undo. So we need to select including this total and hold our right mouse button, then insert, then shift cells right. So now we have all of this one without affecting our data here, since this one is already merged into A and to H. However, it's not a center for this table. So I just show you this one, how to insert without selecting the whole columns. Again, I will undo or Control G. We'll also try another options. Just highlight this one, then again hold our right mouse button and insert. Now we'll try this shift cells down. So meaning this one, whatever we select, this column and rows data will move also down. This one, shift cells down, without affecting the other month data. Look. So now for this data or January expenses list moving down without affecting the other month. So we will undo. Again, we need to try another option also, this entire row. If we will choose this entire row, look what will happen. All of this one will move down because we select entire row, meaning all of the row of this table. Control Z to undo. Again, we'll try another options also, this entire columns. So if we select this one, also will move entire column. So as you can see here, already centered. So this is good choice. Unlike before, if we select this one, look, this header is aligned or centered with this table. If we will select the one or option before, insert, then our column, if we will use this shift cells right, so meaning this total will move here without affecting our header but not centered with this table. Try again. Look, as you can see here, not centered with this table. If we will choose this option, right click mouse button, then insert. If we will choose this one, this header will center in our tables. Look, so centered. So you can type additional here if you want some entries here, or if you put code for this one. Okay, we'll use this undo. before I forgot, we did before here and inserting our column using keyboard shortcut Control plus. We can use or we can apply also in the same process in our row. Just select this one and hold our control in keyboard and hit our plus in our numeric keypad. Just hit plus, so automatically will add how many row you select. It will add it also corresponding number of rows. Control Z to make it undo. So this is how to make our worksheets structure with column and rows insertion. This is how to change our worksheet structure with row and column. God bless you all.